Hello everyone. So here I am live. Good morning. Okay, so I see a lot of people have joined. Good morning, everyone. So here's wishing all of you peace of mind, great health, love, prosperity, and everything. So have a great day today. So today we have joined. I feel immense proud to join forces with Give India's global campaign, Breathe for India. And through this live session, I really hope that we are able to collect as much as we can to make COVID-19 a little easier. And like I can see, there's a lot of people. Okay, so a lot of people from Armenia, Indonesia, a lot of people from different parts of the world have also joined this live session, which gives me immense pleasure and joy. So I'm really happy and looking forward to it. So this basically means that so many people across the globe have joined hands and come together to support this really good cause. And I just feel that we all need to come together, and only then we all will be able to overcome it together. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining this live session. Okay, so like I said, I've joined forces with Give India's global campaign, Breathe for India. And through this session, we are here to collect as much as we can to make COVID-19 a little easier. So the details will be shared in my caption, and also it's mentioned in my bio. If I go on my profile, there's a link. So you can all come together and donate as much as you want for this fundraiser. And like I mentioned before, we all need to come together to be able to overcome it. So yeah, talking about yoga, I feel yoga is for mental peace for sure. It helps for your body, for your mind and everything. And I personally practice yoga 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, and my day starts with yoga. It just rejuvenates me, and I feel so lightheaded. I feel so amazing. My body feels amazing. So the day I do not practice yoga, I feel that something is missing out from my body. And so when it comes to yoga, I feel immense pride to say that it belongs to our country, which is like our heritage. It's a science, it's an art. So we all should practice yoga, we all should cherish it, and for our own well-being, keeping the current situation in mind, COVID, we all should practice yoga. So I get to see a lot of comments. Thank you everyone for sharing so much love and joining this live session. So today we are going to start with the Wim Hof method. And so the Wim Hof method is a breathing technique, and it's really simple and it's really easy, and every one of you can do it at home or wherever you are. You can just sit and do it, you can lie down and do it. And practicing the specific breathing exercises of the Wim Hof will release your inner fire. The exercises are focused on deep and rhythmic inhalations and exhalations. So it's like, so it's described by Wim as a controlled hyperventilation or power breathing, which you call it, because it's you're hyperventilating your lungs. So yeah, and it's followed by the retention time, wherein you hold your breath for an X amount of time. So it does helps in stress reduction, faster recovery from physical exertion, better sleep, enhanced creativity, and it also focuses on your mental clarity as well. So it also enables your immune system to battle the symptoms of various diseases. So it's very simple, like I said in the very beginning. So let's start with the Wim Hof technique. So I won't be able to count while I do the inhalation and the exhalation. So I'm going to count on my fingers over here, if you can see. So I will be doing, to keep it short so you understand. So every day I do my breath exercise for 35 counts, and then it's a deep inhalation and I hold it. In the first round I hold it for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then you exhale, then you inhale and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And for the second count we hold our breath for like 1.5 minutes, or how much ever you can. Initially you can just, so when I was in Calcutta, I was helping my dad practice the Wim Hof method, and I told him that, you know, he started off, so I asked him to hold it just for 30 seconds, and yeah, he felt amazing. So let's get started with the Wim Hof technique. Okay, so here I go, if you can see me count. Okay, so you guys, whosoever are live over there, can also do this with me. It's really good for your health, for your lungs, and for your mental peace as well. Okay, so we start. Exhale completely and hold the exhalation for 30 seconds. Now inhale, push everything upward and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax your shoulders. And release, and breathe normally. As you can see, I'll come closer, I've already started sweating, so it's really good. A lot of people do think that, you know, in yoga doesn't help you burn calories, but of course it does. It flushes out the toxins from your body for sure, and it's really good for your health. Like I said, my day wouldn't start without practicing yoga. You know, it's amazing. It's amazing for your body. Okay, so we will do, so I start my yoga practice with Wim Hof method, and then I practice Ashtanga Vinyasa, and I will show you Vinyasa A and Vinyasa B. But before I start, I would also like to say that I am not a yoga teacher. I will only show what I practice every day, so you can try it out with me. And yes, let's do this. I'll have to shift my mat a bit for you guys to be able to see me. Okay. So get on the top of your mat. Ekam arms step over, straight overhead. Divay, forward fold, exhale. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, high plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. We hold this position for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and inhale, exhale, 5. Bend the knees, look in between the hands and come forward. Flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Scroll for 3, 2, 1. Arms lift and Samastiti. Okay, so you guys, whosoever is live, you can practice it with me. Thank you so much for all the lovely comments and thank you for coming live. Okay, so let's do this. Round 2. Inhale, arms up. Divay, forward fold. Flat back, Trini. Exhale, high plank. Chaturanga, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, exhale for 5 counts. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale for 5. Bend your knees. Look in between the hands. Jump forward. Flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Scroll it up for 3, 2, 1. Samastiti. Let's do one more round. Sorry. Arms up. Drop down. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, high plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. This really helps. I feel so good. 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees, look in between the hands, come forward. Forward fold. Scroll up. 2, 1. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, Samastiti. So yeah, that was Vinyasa A. So Vinyasa A and B are the basic exercises that you can start off with, and you can just do 3 rounds of Vinyasa A, Vinyasa B, just to start off. So it will be good 10 minutes and the Wim Hof method will be another 5 minutes. So you can initially start off with 15 minutes of yoga. Just to start off with, just to give yourself that push, because a lot of people initially, if you feel like starting off, of course I would suggest that you can start off slow. So yeah, give it a shot. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So let's go ahead with Vinyasa B, and I will show you how to do that. Get on the top of your mat. Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, high plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. V the heels. Right leg comes forward. Arms lift. Keep a good lunge. high plank, chaturanga, upward facing, downward facing. Be the feet, left leg, arms lift, down, high plank, chaturanga, upward facing, exhale, downward facing. Hold it for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Look in between the hands, bend the knees and jump forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Drop down. Utkatasana and Samasthiti. Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back 3. Exhale, high plank, chaturanga, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Heels. Right leg comes forward. Lift the arms. Hold. High plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Be the heels, left leg, arms lift. Exhale, downward facing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees, look in between the hands. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, drop down. Utkatasana and Samasthiti. Okay, so as you can see, I've started sweating. I really love yoga. I personally love yoga. It's one of the bestest form of workout that I have started, and thanks that I am blessed with the bestest guru who teaches me amazing yoga, who actually made me fall in love with yoga. And when I go on my social media and if I just put hashtag yoga, I hardly see very few Indians practicing yoga, wherein yoga has always been our heritage, like I said before. So yeah, I would just request all you guys to start practicing yoga, because it's really, really good for your health, for your mental peace, for your mind, and it's a great form of workout. So I have also, a few of my friends have started practicing yoga, and they are getting great results, and they are so happy. So yeah, just let me know how you feel. And like I said, you can start off with just 15 minutes of practice every day, just to get into the habit of it. So start off with Vinyasa A, Vinyasa B, or start off with 10 Surya Namaskar, whatever you're comfortable with. Just do some breathing exercise, which is going to really help your lungs, your mind, and everything, your entire body. So start off slow, but do start off. Just give it a shot. I'm sure you're gonna like it. And okay, so I see a lot of requests Oh, you guys can see me sweat. It's a sweet sweat. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing so much of love. Thank you for coming live this morning. And thank you, Give India and Breathe for India, for this amazing initiative. And once again, guys, I really hope that, you know, we all can come forward and, you know, join hands together, like how all over the world people have come together for this live session. I hope we all can join hands together and support this noble cause. And once again, the details, I'm going to share this IGTV video on my feed for sure once the live ends, and the details will be shared in my caption, and it's also mentioned on my bio. So yeah, let's all get together, and we all need to come together, and only then we all will be able to overcome this situation. So thank you once again for joining me. And you guys have a great day, amazing day, and wishing you all great peace of mind, great health, and lots of love. Thank you so much. Namaste. Thank you.